Hello students. Today we are discuss about the previous zoology topic which is started from now. The previous class we read the health and disease. Health and disease class. In this class we study about the typhoid disease which is caused by Salmonella typhi. How typhoid is spread among the people because of the contagious of water. Then second one is pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia which is a bacteria, and pneumonia causes our lungs infection. Then next one is our we will start about cancer now. What is cancer? Why cancer occurs among the people? What kind of cancer or type of cancer are there? Today we discussed all about this. First, I will tell you what is cancer. Cancer is a congenital disease. The meaning of congenital is a hereditary disease. It is mainly hereditary disease, but sometimes with the help of mutation. Mutation means any kind of change or alteration of gene causes mutation, and mutation ultimately causes cancer. So first we discuss about cancer. Cancer is a congenital disease and it is mainly hereditary. Hereditary means in our family history one is suffering from cancer. One is suffering from cancer. So it is causes the next generation. It transmits the next generation. Our gene level contains 46 chromosomes, and inside chromosome it is the cell structure, it is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus chromosome are there. Inside the chromosome DNA, nucleic acid is there. If any change or alteration in genetic level or gene level, you know that DNA contains AG, TC base pair or nitrogenous base pair. If alteration of one nucleotide base pair is there, it causes, if in case of T will changes to C with the help of some particular reason, some physical agent, some chemical agent or any other agent. If change or alteration in T level, so AZ in case of T it changes to C coding and it causes mutation. So sometimes it is hereditary, sometimes it is mutational. So in hereditary history, if some deletion is occurs, if the father or mother is suffering from any parents suffering from any kind of cancer, it will reduce or suppress sometimes after 1 to 2 generation. It will again start it. So we cannot say that the cancer is reduced or suppressed. It always be in effective manner. केते दिन पई सप्रेस हेकि थिबो गोटे जनरेशन दीटा जनरेशन बळे ऑटोमेटिक किछ अल्टरेशन हे जिवो जीन लेवल रे एंड द पीपल विल और द जनरेशन विल सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर. Then next one is your mutation. In mutation level I will tell you alteration of your gene. It is the main reason of cancer causing. Then of cancer. There are mainly 4 types of cancer. Number 1 is carcinoma. Number 2, sarcoma. Number 3, lymphoma. And number 4 is leukemia. First, I will tell you what is carcinoma. Carcinoma is the skin cancer or epidermal cancer. Our skin contains the upper layer which is known as epidermis. If cancer is produced in our skin level, it is known as skin cancer or epidermal cancer. Otherwise, it is known as carcinoma. Sarcoma. Sarcoma is known as solid base. It is mainly bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage, which is known as also connective tissue. So, connective tissue cancer or bone and cartilage cancer is known as sarcoma. Then lymphoma. Lymphoma means lymph gland cancer. If cancer occurs in our lymph, lymph is known as liquid connective tissue. It is known as lymphoma. Then leukemia. Leukemia means our blood cancer. Most of the people, up to 50 to 60% people mainly suffering from leukemia. Leukemia means blood cancer. So, आमे basically 4 types of cancer आमे describe करूचे, that is carcinoma, sarcoma, lymphoma. Lymphoma also in lymph gland also. Some gland are present which produce cancer is known as lymphoma and leukemia which is blood cancer. Then the agents which causes cancer. Which type of agent? Agent means bahako. Kaha द्वारा cancer हुए. The agent is number 1 है physical agent. The physical agent like radiation. What is radiation? The ultraviolet ray coming from our sunlight which enter in our body and causes cancer is known as physical agent. Some light penetrating like X-ray causes light penetrating agent. X-ray causes physical agent or that is causes ultimately cancer. Then number 2 is chemical agent. Chemical agent means any chemical which is harmful for our body, and that chemical enter in our body and alternation our AGTC nitrogenous base pair of DNA that causes cancer. The chemical agent like acid, like some base, and any chemical agent we use. Then number 3 is biological agent. In biological agent, mainly a virus like papilloma virus, SV40 virus. That virus, one gene is known as proto-oncogenes, which is suppress our different disease level or cancer is there or our body रे अछि proto-oncogene. जेतेबेला किछि virus enters in our body, that proto-oncogene convert into oncogene and that oncogene causes cancer. That is known as biological agent. So हमको hygienic state रे always रहबाको पड़िबो. Normally that biological agent जो virus हम बॉडी रे इंजेक्ट करबो, that proto-oncogene सब बेले हमको बंचै रखबो different immunological process रे, that ultimately changes into oncogene. Oncogene means cancerous gene, and causes cancer. So physical, chemical, biological. After that some skin cancer is there, which is causes in our dress system. Our dress is made up of different chemical material. Presence of different chemical material. That chemical material is enters when we dress up the dress. So it enters in our body and changes our gene level and causes cancer. So this is all about the agent of cancer. So next we will study what is the state of cancer. Cancer हेले आम बॉडी रो कौन चेंज हुए. This is the epithelial cell layer. Below that different blood cells are present in our body. Different cells are present. This is the endothelial layer and this is the epithelial layer. When our cell, each cell has particular lifespan. If WBC is there, the lifespan of WBC is 8 days. If RBC is there, the lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Each and every cell has a definite lifespan. सेतिकी दिन परे that previous cell is replaced by new cells automatically, and that programming cell आम बॉडी रे ऑटोमेटिक गोटे प्रोग्राम हेतिबो जोथिरे कि पुराना सेल रिमूव होबो, नुवा सेल एंटर करबो, and that programming cell death is known as apoptosis. And apoptosis occurs in normal body. आमर नॉर्मल बॉडी जारो सेथरे ही apoptosis होबो. If one patient will or if one person will suffering from cancer, the lifespan or cell death rate is decreases, or mortality, that is known as in biological term mortality of cell is decreases. So that is known as cell immortality. So immortality increases of a cell and mortality rate is decreases. So जदि गोटे सेल रो 8 days lifespan, it does not remove at 8 days in 8 days and it stay as usual. सब दिन में रहिला and तार लाइफ साइकिल कंटिन्यू करला. तो गोटे सेल जगह रे गोटे पर्टिकुलर जगह रे 100 सेल जदि रहबा कथा, जदि 1000 सेल कंटिन्यू आ भीतर रहला, that is causes cancer. First point is immortality of cancer cell. So death rate is decreases. Immortality cancer cell रो characteristic कौन character देखा जाए. First is immortality or decrease the cell death rate. Number 2, tumor formation. If particular site the cell number is increased, so immortality of cell also increases. At that particular site a bump is developed and that is known as tumor formation. Bump means किछि गुटे उठी कि ऊन हे कि रहबो. Then number 3 is decreasing the digestion rate of the patient. Digestion rate means digestion hapani. आमे जहा किछि खाउचे कंज्यूम करचे, that does not digest properly. Number 4, continuous bleeding. Bleeding if किछि गोटे कटि गला, bleeding does not stop and rate of immunity decreases. Our body ro immunity power also decreases in cancerous cell. Then number 5, swelling problem. ढोकिबारे प्रॉब्लम होबो कंटिन्यूअस weight loss होबो then the patient will suffering from different other kind of disease due to loss of immunity. After that we will study what is the prevention. I mean केमिति prevention होगा. Before going to prevention, another stage of cancer is known as metastasis or malignant stage. What is this malignant stage? If one particular area tumor is there, if that tumor is not surgically removed, जदि ट्यूमर टा हमें देखिले संगे संगे हमें जाई कि डॉक्टर को रेकमेंड करी कि ताको रिमूव करिया को पड़िबो. जदि न कले इन केस द ट्यूमर इज undergoes in malignant stage and गोटे जगह if the cancer is present in our lungs, after some times you will see that in malignant stage the cancer cross either liver, either stomach. The movement of stomach stage is known as malignant stage. Movement of cancerous cell from one place to another is known as malignant stage. So जदि आपर गोटे पर्टिकुलर जगह रे कैंसरियस सेल अछि आ गोटे को जगह को गला तो ताको ब्लड सेल्स नेसेसरी टू प्रोड्यूस artificial blood cell known as angiogenesis. माने तार ब्लड सर्कुलेशन नेसेसरी गोटे जगह रे ट्यूमर हिची ता जगह रे ब्लड सेल गुडा को ट्रांसफर हे पड़ुची बट गोटे जगह रो आ गोटे जगह को जेतबे मैलिग्नेंट स्टेज होची से इन दैट केस आल्सो द ब्लड सेल ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड with the help of angiogenesis. So prevention, after all this discussion, last one is prevention. How cancer can be prevented? First point is, if in your family history one suffering from cancer, so first आमे कौन करे को पड़िबो किछि दिन परे आमे जानिले हम फैमिली हिस्ट्री रे इधर पैटर्नल और मैटरनल हिस्ट्री रे कहा को कैंसर हेची. फर्स्ट वी विल डिटेक्ट दैट एंड गो द फिजिशियन टू टेस्ट आवर डीएनए स्ट्रक्चर व्हिच पार्ट इज कॉजेस कैंसर. सो फर्स्ट किछि डिटेक्शन दरकार. देन सेकंड वन इज जदि हम कैंसर हे जेछि तापर स्टेज रे प्रिवेंशन होला रेडियोथेरेपी. ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट radiotherapy is a best way to prevent cancer. जदि गोटे पर्टिकुलर जगह रे किछि कैंसरियस सेल अछि we will inject some x-ray light or penetrate that UV light to completely remove that cancerous cell. That is first treatment is radiotherapy. Then number 2, chemotherapy. Some chemicals are injected to remove the cancerous cell. Then number 3 is maintain hygienic condition, and number 4 is some multi-drug MDT, multi-drug therapy. Different types of drug or medicines are treated against that cancerous cell to remove or cure that cancerous cell. So that all about our cancerous cell, how cancer occurs, how treatment occurs, and what kind of cancers are there. Next period we will study about AIDS. Thank you.